Hey everybody, time to step up your Porma. I just came back from a recent trip and my shoes became so dirty. Especially in the rain nowadays, it's really hard to keep your shoes clean. So I found this Porma shoe whitener and Porma sports shoe cleaner and tried cleaning my shoes. It's very easy to use, just take a damp towel or a wipe and just try to clean your shoes first, but nothing was definitely going to come out because it's really stuck there for quite some time. So after doing that, taking out all the dirt, you gotta use the Porma shoe whitener. You just have to, of course, gently mix it around, open the cap, and put it on the white areas, and you'll actually see the difference and see all the dirt coming out, and you'll actually find your shoes becoming white back to its original color. It is amazing, believe me. And from some areas, even especially for the bottom part, I used the Porma sports shoe cleaner, which could also be used on rubber shoes and in areas where it's hard to take out that, dirt and that grit. So it's really cool with this. So shoes are the first thing everyone looks at whenever they meet you. Invest in your lifestyle and you look for more success. We tend to invest a lot in our shoes, but we also need to take care of these too. With rainy days ahead, our shoes can get wet and damp and also dirty in the mud. So let's try to keep it clean and use the Porma Cell Shine Shoe Polish Cream, the Porma Shoe Refreshener, the Porma Shoe Whitener, and the Porma Shoe Shine Cleaner and Sports Cleaner. Available at Puregold All Day Mercury Drug, Lazada, and Shopee. So skip the old routine of shoe cleaning, instead use the new Porma Easy Shoe Care. Go ahead, enjoy!